I'm Stephanie Chavez, and welcome to the how-to video for the Project X Fine Silver Clay Kit Initial Impressions. Before we get started, make sure to watch the video on working with clay, conditioning, tips, tricks, and troubleshooting. Let's get started. Inside your kit, you will have a Teflon work surface, a 5-gram pack of fine silver Project X clay, Liberation Spray Release Agent, depth gauges in 1.5 and 1 millimeter thicknesses, shape templates with 6 different shapes, alphabet template, and 8 different texture designs, a patina marker and a set of sanding sponges, a hole cutter and 4 sterling silver jump rings, full written instructions, and a prepaid envelope to mail back any scrap for a free tutorial. You will also need a clay roller, a Project X firing brick and butane torch, or a steel mesh screen to fire on a gas stove, an awl or cutting tool, water and a storage container, a paintbrush, tweezers, and jewelry pliers. Before you begin, prepare your clay by conditioning it. Watch the video on working with clay for full detailed instructions. Lubricate your hands, work surface, and roller with the Liberation Spray Release Agent. Roll your clay 1.5 millimeter thickness. Lightly lubricate your texture sheet. Place the texture sheet on top of the 1 millimeter gauges and your clay. Use the clay roller to emboss the texture onto the clay. If needed, gently tap down any pieces that are sticking up. Use the shape template to cut out the desired shape with an awl or cutting tool. Your cut does not have to be precise. You will refine this later. Put away remaining clay to retain moisture and save for later. Use the hole cutter to cut the holes for hanging. Make sure to keep the hole at least 1/8 of an inch from the edge. Save the clay from your cutter. Roll remaining clay 1 millimeter thickness. Place the alphabet template on top of the clay and either roll or press down on template to emboss the desired letter. Remove the template and use an awl or cutting tool to cut out the letter shape. Align the letter if misshapen from cutting. Set letter aside to dry. Once your pieces are completely dry, sand and smooth the edges. Make sure to support them well while you are sanding. Add a small amount of water to your sanding dust to make a paste. You may need to add a small amount of fresh clay if there is not enough paste from the scrap powder. Wet the front of your charm and the back of your letter. Apply a small amount of paste to the back of the letter. Flip the letter over onto your charm and press down with firm pressure until it holds into place. If needed, clean up any paste with a brush. Once you have ensured that your piece is completely dry, you are ready to fire, polish, and patina your piece. Watch the video on firing and finishing for detailed instructions. You should be able to make 2 to 3 pieces with the materials in this kit, depending on the sizes and the number of holes. Make your pieces uniquely yours by adding an extra hole to hang beads or decorative elements. Maybe incorporate a fire-safe gemstone, or find a unique way to hang your charm. Just have fun creating.